we're going to see the ingredients. So Mama is a bread, Milo, some bananas, and a knife. But don't give it this to children. This is very very dangerous. And a spoon, and a fork, and a cutting board. This is for just fun. I think so. You just scared me. So say your ingredients right now.
Okay, I just want to watch you. Okay, let's get started. What do we need first?
First, we must show the ingredients.
But it's okay. First, you tell. The third part I will do.
Fine. So now, firstly, we need 2 pieces of bread. 2 pieces of bread. Then we need to cut it. But please give this to adults. Don't give it to kids to handle this. This is important. So my sister is doing it because I'm free. But now I have another thing also. Peel banana. There is part 4 also. Make sure to watch it. Okay.
Until part 4, okay?
Part 4 is.
But don't waste this. I will show you what need to do.
Yeah, she's going to do
It's like
magic.
Next, this one also.
Hey, you must come down there. You are very tall to the camera.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Now we must peel the banana like this. Yeah. Now this is here. And I have a plastic like this.
Hey, where? He just disappeared. Oh, yeah, here.
Okay. So where's the plastic cutter? Where's the plastic knife?
Plastic knife, it's okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to do because now
Okay, look. Okay. Now first, before that, you need to do run. This you wanna cut thin or thick?
thin, very thin.
So guys, be careful.
Oh, not that short is. It's going like a rainbow. Hey, I want so much of thin. You are making it thick. I don't want thick. I want thin. It must be very thin. Fine, whatever. You are the queen sister in the world.
Okay,
Okay.
next.
Next is this bread. You can see here. There are 2 pieces of bread, but let's cut it. So now, oh yeah. So now, can you take this banana away? Because I need to do this one. Firstly, I need to roll it.
Okay, now enough. Then the bread. Oh, you, what he is doing? Okay, done.
Done. The next one.
Must be thin and thick like this. Ting. Now,
Some bananas. So we must put it in hands.
but don't do like that. He's just like a little bit of mental. The
Hey, I'm not a mental.
and just put it. That's all. But use this one like this. Take.
Put spice. Let me put my hand. Hey, what is?
Don't put like small pieces. Put like big pieces. Big pieces.
Okay,
Get
that's
down.
no, not don't so down. I want it like write the recipe.
Okay. Next.
Okay, so next is a spoon. Ha 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 ha. Milo.
Don't put too much of Milo in. Okay, look.
It can
One
cause some
spoon.
diabetes. So make sure you must put it very little bit.
Be careful.
Wait.
Just take the small one. Okay, like this.
Okay. think one needs 4 only. 4, yeah. The rest is ready.
Now just
Put some
take
below like this.
sprinkle like that.
Sprinkle it. And then now make sure to take this fork. This is the
Okay,
most
that's all.
important.
Now
Now you must press it down.
Like
Hold it
this.
like a newborn baby.
now he will do.
Then you must do like this.
Hold the bread and step like
Everything I must do. This is my recipe, not
like
your
this. Okay.
recipe. Okay, this one and number 2 and number 3. Place each number 3 until there. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 2, number 3. Okay. Now you must fold it and then do number 1, number 2, number 3, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, wait on. Okay, now this is perfect and we must put it aside.
But before that, we need to one more time try.
No,
No, light only. Light. Don't put hard. Okay, light. Turn it. Light. Okay, that's all.
That's all. Finish.
Now just keep it aside. You need to do 3 how much you want. Just use. Next, let's go to my part. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next part.